Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. I hope that you will have completed your homework. Students, today I shall solve some important examples and some important questions of exercise 5A. Here, write question number example 20. If 25 to the power n minus 1 plus 100 equal to 2n minus equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1, find the value of n. Students, question is 25 to the power n minus 1 plus 100 equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. That implies 25 means 5 to the power 2. So 5 to the power 2 and 2 multiplied with n minus 1. So 2n minus 2 plus 100 equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Next step is 5 to the power 2n minus 1 transposition. By transposition, change left side to right side. So write 5 to the power 2n minus 1 minus 5 to the power 2n minus 2 equal to 100. Next step is 5 to the power 2n minus 1 means divided by 5 minus 5 to the power 2n divided by 5 to the power 2 equal to 100. Next step, 5 to the power 2 means 25. So LCM is 25. 25 divided by 5. So 5 into 5 to the power 2n into 5 minus 5 to the power 2n equal to 100. This side, next step is here 5 to the power 2n into 5 minus 5 to the power 2n. So 5 to the power 2n is common. 5 to the power 2n is common. So here 5 minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1, and 25 by transposition change into multiply equal to 100 into 25. Now 5 to the power 2n into 5 minus 1, 4 equal to 100 into 25. That implies 5 to the power 2n equal to 100 into 25 by 4. 25 5 ja 4. That means 5 to the power 2n equal to 25 means 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. 25 into 25. That implies 5 to the power 2n equal to 5 to the power m plus n. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. That means 5 to the power 4. Bases are equal. So index are also equal. That implies 2n equal to 4. That implies n equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2 answer. Write it. Students, one question. Example number 21 is very important question of this chapter. So I solve it. If 9 to the power n multiply 3 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power 3 whole power 5 into 2 to the power 3 equal to 1 by 27. Find the value of n. Question is 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power 3 whole power 5 into 2 to the power 3 equal to 1 by 27. That implies 9 to the power n. 9 means 3 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 means 9 into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n. 27 means 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3n. Why? 3 to the power 3 whole power 5. So 3 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 3 means 8 equal to 1 by 27 means 3 to the power 3. This next step 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power n, that means 3 to the power 3n into 9 minus 3 to the power 3n. By 3 to the power 15 by transposition. 3 to the power 15 by transposition change into multiply. So 3 to the power 15 by 3 to the power 3. Now next step, have common 3 to the power 3n. 9 minus 1 divided by 8 equal to 3 to the power 15 divided by 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 15 minus 3. Now here 3 to the power 3n 3 to the power 3n into 9 minus 1 8 divided by 8 equal to 3 to the power 12. 8 to 8 cancel. Now 3 to the power 3n equal to 3 to the power 12. Here base are same. So index are also equal. That implies 3n equal to 12. That implies n equal to 12 by 3 equal to 4 answer. Write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 6A, 5A. In this exercise, in question number 1, is writing exponential form such as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 to the power 3. Now question number 2 is express each of the following in power notation. Question number 2 is minus 27 by 64 and question number 4 is minus 1 by 28. So question number 2 of 2 minus 27 by 64. Minus 27 means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 64 means 4 into 4 into 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 to the power 3 answer. And question number 4 is minus 1 by 128 means minus 1 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 64 to the 128 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 equal to minus 1 by 2 into 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 minus 1 by 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 into minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 to the power 7 answer. Students, next question number 3 of exercise 5A, express as a rational number minus 13 by 11 square. Question number 3 of question number 3 minus 13 by 11 square, that means minus 13 by 11 into minus 13 by 11 minus into minus plus 13 into 13 169 divided by 11 into 11 121 answer. Next question number 6 is minus 3 by 2 to the power 4 equal to minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 and 27 3 ja 81 divided by 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Write it. Students, next question number 8. Simplify and express each as a rational number. Question number 1, 4 by 9 to the power 6 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 4. And question number 3, 4 by 3 to the power minus 3 into 4 by 3 to the power minus 2. Solve here. Students, a by b to the power n into a by b to the power n equal to a by b to the power n plus 1. With the help of first law of exponents is 4 by 9 to the power 6 plus minus 4 equal to 4 by 9 to the power 6 plus into minus 4 equal to 4 by 9 to the power 6 minus 4 2. That means 4 4 the 16 by 9 9 the 81. 16 by 81 answer. Question number 3 is 4 by 3 to the power minus 3 into 4 by 3 to the power minus 3. First of all, write its reciprocal. 4 by 3 minus to the power minus 3. A by b to the power minus m equal to b by a to the power m. So 3 by 4 to the power 3 into 4 by 3 to the power minus 2 means 3 by 4 to the power 2. Now with the help of formula, a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n equal to a by b to the power m plus n, 3 plus 2 equal to 3 by 4 to the power 5. That means 3 to the power 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. Now 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 5 times. 3 3 is 9, 27, 81, 81 3 is 243. Y 16, 64, 64 into 16, 1024. Answer, write this. Students, next question, question number 9 of exercise 5A. Express each of the following as a rational number. Question number 4, minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 3. A by b to the power minus m equal to b by a to the power m. So 4 by minus 4 by 3 to the power 3. Now minus 4 by 3 into minus 4 by 3 into minus 4 by 3. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 4 4 is 64, 64 4 is 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 is 64. Sorry. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Answer of this question. Question number 8. 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So solve it. A by b to the power minus 1. That means b by a. So 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 means 4 by 1 whole power minus 1. Now LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 4 is 4 1 is 4, 3 1 is 3. Minus 1 4 is 4. Minus 1 4 is 4, 4 4 is 61. Minus 16. Equal to 3 minus 16 minus 13 by 4 to the power minus 1. A by b to the power minus 1 equal to b by a. So minus 4 by 13. Answer. Students, your homework is solve exercise 5A, question number 1 to 9. Your homework is solve exercise 5A, question number 1 to 9. Thank you. That's all.